What's up guys, it's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video in this sampling series. Today we're going to be talking about scratching, and we'll take a look into how you can scratch your vocal samples or vocals in FL Studio. So let's get right into this. So the first way to do this is to use a plugin called Fruity Scratcher, and let me just put that up. So we had these beats in the last tutorial. So we can just pull up the sample and drag it into Fruity Scratcher. Then from here, we can use the Fruity Scratcher plugin to scratch the vocals. So this is one way you can do this. But what we'll be doing today is using gross beats to scratch this vocal sample. So I'm just going to delete Fruity Scratcher from here, and I'm going to put in gross beats in our vocal sample channel. So after you put in gross beats, come over to presets and go to turntable list. So from here, you have different scratch patterns you can use with gross beats. So let's try this out. So yeah, this gives you different cool scratching patterns you can use for your vocal sample. And what you can do is just link all these patterns to a keyboard controller. I have a video where I do this. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So what you can do is pull up a Fruity keyboard controller and link all these patterns to the keyboard controller. So when you play these patterns on the playlist, it will go to the particular scratch pattern you want. So this is the best way to scratch. This is the easiest way you can scratch in FL Studio. The alternative is to use the Fruity Scratcher and just drop the vocal sample into Fruity Scratcher and just record your scratch patterns with Edison. So you can also link this turntable to a controller if you have a turntable and just record those scratches into Edison. So, but gross beat is an easier way to do this. So you can just use the patterns in gross beat to scratch your sample. So let's try out more scratch patterns. So yeah, that'll be all for today, guys. Don't forget to watch the video on how you can link gross beats to the keyboard controller. This is how to scratch your samples in FL Studio. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.